In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot so you can send files like proposals, PDFs, or images directly from your CRM. Start by opening your HubSpot dashboard and navigating to the record you want to email from. This could be a contact, company, or deal. Next, once you're inside the record, look for the email option and click on it. This will open the email composer where you can write your message. Now, at the bottom of the email editor, find the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Click on the paperclip and you'll get two options. You can either upload a file from your computer or choose an existing file from the HubSpot file manager. Select the file you want to attach. If you're uploading a new file, give it a moment to process, especially if it's large. Once the file is attached, you'll see its name appear in the email composer. This confirms that your attachment is ready to be sent. If you need to remove or replace the file, just click the small X next to the attachment and choose another one. After that, finish writing your email, review everything, and send it as usual. And that's it. You've successfully added attachments to your emails in HubSpot, making your communication more professional and organized.